Call 839-056751. Delano Locksmith, your trusted and undestructive locksmith in South Carolina.
Yeah, that one's done.
Huh?
That one's done.
Oh, does the
Yeah, so I tell him to get me that one. Yeah.
does the little thing pop out?
Yeah, I already take this one off. And we keep both
like
sides.
I know you from somewhere. I just don't know where. Like I said. Shit. Oh,
Nah, you
sorry.
good.
There you go.
You good, man.
And then now, does it stay locked? Oh, that's the emergency.
Yeah. That's
Now
the
what?
Call 839-056751. Delano Locksmith, your trusted and indestructible locksmith in South. Call 839-056751. Delano Locksmith, your trusted and indestructible locksmith in South Carolina. Call 839-056751. Delano Locksmith, your trusted and indestructible locksmith in South Carolina.